That's why I think New Year's resolutions suck. Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Today is a day that a lot of people celebrate. I think 7 billion plus people celebrate this day that we're on today. And that is January 1st, or New Year's Day. So unlike most other years, this year I decided not to do a New Year's resolution. So New Year's Eve and New Year's Day are really weird to me because people are like, oh, okay, let's just choose a random day. Start of a new year, new blank page. I know, but they just decide to pick a resolution day to make a massive change in life overnight. Why not, instead of just making a single resolution or multiple resolutions at that, we just make literally goals for the year. It is 2019 and I'm so excited to show you what is going to occur in 2019. There is so much stuff that will occur. I don't even know 99.99% of it. You know, like, it's gonna be so cool this year. I wanna give you guys some updates real quick. I'm gonna take this backpack off. One of the biggest things that just occurred at the end of 2018 is actually I got a brand new camera. I got the Canon EOS 77D. It is an awesome camera thus far. Everything you've seen so far has been filmed on it. And yeah, needless to say, I'm enjoying it. It is so freaking bright out here, man. It is taking this like a beast running at 60 frames. It is so cool. But nevertheless, I want to do some test shots, some cool photos, some just some nice video, maybe some time lapses, just to kind of see how this kind of works. And I also want to talk about New Year's. Okay, so I'm back in my bedroom. I know, I love it. So the Canon 77D is awesome. It's a great camera. The autofocus system especially is amazing. And I think I'm gonna do like a whole review video on it coming in the future. But for right now, because of how sensitive this topic is, and you know, how New Year's is literally the first and how it was the first, and yeah, I want to talk about New Year's Eve and why we make resolutions on New Year's Eve, because seriously, New Year's Eve resolutions just to me are a little weird. And I kind of did some research real quick on like what the New Year's Eve resolutions were initially for. So the biggest thing about New Year's resolutions, and a beautiful alternative that I have and why I think New Year resolutions suck, the first thing is a New Year's resolution is a promise. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't like breaking promises. So sometimes I won't make a promise if I know I'm not gonna be able to keep it. And it makes a big difference to me. It makes a big difference to a lot of people that I know. Why don't you just make a goal? And that's what I think. That's why this year, first year I've ever done it, I did not make a New Year's resolution. I made a goal. So if you make a goal instead of a promise, a goal will at least give you a direction to move into. A promise can sometimes be like generalized. Oh yeah, I promised to do that thing. Great. If you have a goal like, I want to complete this by the end of the first year, by December 2019, we'll take for example. you can do that with a goal and take short steps towards the end goal. With a promise, you're like, I have to do this, I'm gonna feel terrible if I don't, and that's why so many people feel terrible towards the end of the new year. Oh, I didn't get what I wanted to get done, blah, blah, blah. If you make a goal for yourself, you can really just hit for it. And honestly, that's personally what I've done because I feel that. New Year's resolutions are cool and all, but goals is something you can actually achieve. But nevertheless, that's why I think New Year's resolutions suck. So tell me, what are your New Year's goals? What are some goals for the new year that you have? Tell me down below in the comment section. I am still sick. I know. I'm on antibiotics. I am kicking this before it gets the way last year started. I can't have that happen again. If you don't know what happened earlier last year, you can go ahead and watch right up here and see what occurred. So yeah, needless to say, that's what occurred. So yeah, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up down below. And also go ahead and comment below what your New Year's Eve goals are. I know that I have a few. Be on the lookout for some more videos. It's going to be a great year here on my channel. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. It's your boy Annie. I'm out. Bye-bye.